Pie Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, so today we're going to open LOL Little Sisters Series 3. Number 1, secret message. Number 2, collectible stickers. Number 3, accessory. Number 4, another accessory. Number 5, a doll, and add water for a surprise. Let's see, cutie pie, we start opening here. Okay, here we gotta open. Oh, it's upside down. Photo finish. Ooh, cool. That's so cute. Okay. I love FNAFs. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, another perfect one. Oh, I opened it up. Oh, that hurt a little. It says it's a color changer. Where is it? Where is it? Is it here? Oh! Oh, it's stuck in there. I'm gonna feel which one's the baby. I'm guessing this one's the baby. Yep, this is the baby. Let's put it on the side. Let's open this one first. Yeah? Okay. Careful, precious contents inside. Okay, here is a little chain so you can put on top of the ball. Let's put this on. Oh, look at this little tennis ball. That's so cute. Tennis racket with a tennis ball. You want to see? Yeah. Let's open this one. It's the biggest one. I think we got a sporty one. Oh, it's a little tennis ball. It feels really cool actually. Oh, a little champ. Oh, it feels like actual real scrap. Let's put it here now. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's see what we got. Oh, she's so cute. She's sticking her tongue out. Oh, she got braids in her hair too. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it is. Let's see who we got. Yes, she's a little court champ. She's from the athletic club. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, it says that it's a common. Let's see if she actually color changes. Have we seen Kitty Pie? Yeah, we're gonna see if she's a color changer. Oh, that's so cute. She got like a little t-shirt on. And her diaper turns dark, and she got this cute little logo on her diaper. And also her hair color changed to a light pink. I mean dark pink. How about the dark one? The hot one? No, she doesn't change. But she's super cute when she turns into a color changer. Oh. Look how cute she is. Her hair turns a little dark pink.
No. Oh, the color change.
Here is little court champ. I think she's super cute and I love her bag. And I love how she color changes. And bye bye my little pies.